Having done that, crypto arbitrage trading is all about capitalizing on price differences. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 50,000 naira every day from this simple BTC NGN crypto arbitrage strategy that I will show you in this video. So all you need to do is just to stay with me in this video, watch me step by step, as I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this every day and start making money for yourself from this crypto arbitrage strategy. So in case if you have been searching for how to make money online from crypto arbitrage trading or from crypto trading, this video got you covered because I'm going to show you this simple strategy that you can use and start making money from crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, do wait to subscribe, turn on the notification button as I will bring to you latest updates on how to make money online. I guess you wouldn't want to miss that, right? So click down the bell icon so as you always be the first to be notified whenever I drop awesome updates, and I'll always bring to you latest updates on how to make money from crypto arbitrage trading. And I guess you don't want to miss any of this update. So guys, without wasting much of your time now, let's dive into my phone screen now. Let me show you this simple BTC NGN crypto arbitrage strategy I can use to make up to 50,000 naira every day without much stress. So guys, the first thing you need to do now is to go straight to your Binance exchange. So here is our Binance exchange now. So the first thing we are going to do in this Binance exchange now is that we are going to buy USDT with Nigerian Naira and then use the USDT for this crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, when I say USDT to Nigerian Naira, it doesn't mean that this crypto arbitrage is only for Nigerians. Those of you outside Nigeria, you can equally do this with your local currency. They are all the same, and the same profit a Nigerian make is the same profit you from your country is also going to make with your local currency. So the next thing we're going to do now is go straight to P2P. Look at P2P over here. In case if you are not seeing P2P over here, you can go to more, and here you are going to search for P2P. So we already have P2P in the home page, so we go to P2P. So here now you can see different merchants in this P2P side now. Here are different merchants who are selling USDT, and you can see the price of USDT to NGN. Currently it is 1,231 naira to 1 USDT. So what we'll be doing here now is we go to filter, and then we're going to uncheck this verified merchant and refresh. So you can see the price now. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to buy from any of these merchants over here. And so we will buy from any of the merchants in this place. So let's check from this person now. So in this place now, we will be buying 300 USDT. So we go by crypto. The quantity we want to buy is 300 USDT. And if you look at this place now, you see that it will cost us 368,436 naira to buy 300 USDT, right? So when you buy this now in this place, you're going to transfer the money to this particular merchant, and the USDT will be transferred to your Binance wallet. So when this is transferred to your Binance wallet now, what you have to do now is to come back to Binance and come back to your home page. So the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to convert this USDT, which we'll buy now, to BTC, and then after conversion we proceed with the arbitrage trading, which I want to show you here now. And this will wow you, as you can use it to make cool cash from this place every day without much stress, and it is unlimited. So the next thing you have to do now is to come back to convert. So when you click on convert now, we're going to wait for some second. All right, so we are converting USDT to BTC. So you choose USDT here. This is USDT over here, which is USDT. So remember, we are converting USDT to BTC, which we are going to use for the crypto arbitrage trading. We are going to use BTC for the arbitrage. So you select BTC here. So in this place, you look for BTC. So you can see BTC over here. This is BTC. So we choose BTC. So now, how many USDT do we want to convert to BTC? We bought 300 USDT, so we are going to be converting 300 USDT to BTC. So you put the quantity of USDT you want to convert in this place now. So you see that when we convert 300 USDT, we are going to have 0.00682364 BTC, right? So the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and convert this BTC now, this USDT now to BTC by clicking on preview conversion and convert it to BTC. So when you convert it to BTC, what you have to do now is to come back to the Binance homepage and go back to P2P. So in this P2P side now, what you're going to do now is that, remember, we buy USDT with our Nigerian naira, so and we convert it to BTC. This arbitrage trading strategy that I want to show you now is all about buying USDT with your local currency and convert it to BTC. So after converting to BTC, come back to P2P and sell it back to your local currency and see how much profit you are going to make. In this place now, we go to sell, no more buy. We are now selling BTC, so click on sell. So in this place now, you can see these are naira. We want to sell BTC and not USDT. So in this place, you choose BTC. So you can see BTC over here, you choose BTC. So you can see the price of BTC now. So you can come over to filter and uncheck this verified merchant only and then confirm. So when you confirm now, what you're going to do here is that you're going to sell that BTC to any of the merchants over here. So let's sell to this first person here. So how many BTC are we selling? Remember, we converted our 300 USDT to BTC and it gave us 0.0068236 BTC. So we're going to put the number of BTC over here. This is 0.00682356. So you see that when we sell this now back to naira, we are going to have 382,979.49. So guys, let's head to our calculator now and check if this is profit or loss. Remember, when we buy 300 USDT, we use 368,436 naira to buy. So and when we sell the BTC we converted it to now, we are getting 382,979. So let's go to calculator and know how much profit we made from this crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, we gain 382,979.49 when we sell the BTC we bought with Nigerian naira. So the amount we used to buy the USDT is 368,436. So we're going to minus this from this. Now we say minus 368,436.00. So we are going to make a whooping 14,500 now from this crypto arbitrage trading. Guys, this is awesome. And let's say you were able to replicate this into 10 times in a day. You say multiply by 10. You see that you'll be making a whooping 145,000 naira every day from this simple crypto arbitrage trading. Guys, this is awesome. I believe you really find value in this video. Alright guys, having known that crypto arbitrage trading is all about the more capital you use, the more profit you make, and the lesser your capital, the lesser your profit. So guys, I believe you find this video helpful. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button and share this video to your friends out there who are looking for how to make money from crypto arbitrage trading. So guys, if you are just visiting my channel for the first time, my name is EazyCash. I teach you how to make money online from crypto arbitrage trading, and I bring to you latest updates on how to make money from crypto trading and many other make money online hacks which you wouldn't want to miss. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so as you always be the first to be notified whenever I drop awesome update like on how to make money online. See you in the next video.